Okay, I'm here now with Jim Johnston. He's the Executive Vice President of Kaplan Industries, but he's not alone because the Kaplans always come out in full force. As you can see, always bring a ton of people to GAWDA events, and we definitely appreciate that. But for today, we're here to talk about Kaplan. And Jim, give me some good news here from Kaplan. What's some good news the distributors that are always in need of cylinders would be happy to hear?
Well, I think the most important thing is that there's plenty of inventory. The issues that took place in the last couple of years have kind of subsided, even though the world is still a very dangerous place and there are still delays. We're in a much better place than we were 2 years ago.
Okay, very good. And give us a point of pride, something you guys are proud of that happened most recently that you could speak to.
Well, we're right now in the process of automation. We have a number of new pieces of equipment that are coming in. With higher demand, we had to become more efficient, and our ability to put on collars, to stamp cylinders, to make everything ready for the customer the way they want it is being handled through automation, and it's decreasing all of our turn times.
All right, very good. We'd be remiss in not mentioning the hydrocarbon gases in an interview like this. Talk about how you guys are a hydrocarbon gas partner for distributors and how they would get involved with that.
Well, we're here to provide a totally finished product. We have 3 large tanks. We're able to fill 20-pounders, 100-pounders, pigs, whatever is required, so that there's no initial investment. We get the cylinders done, we get them shipped out to you. When they return, they're cleaned, brought back to spec, and shipped out all within 48 hours.
It's awesome. I think when I was on site, I do remember like a meter being installed or something like that to ensure purity.
We're in a very, very pure type of atmosphere,
right.
And there are several different pieces of equipment that are for analysis. And everything that we receive in, we analyze, we record. Everything that we ship out, we analyze and record. So it's at 99.9% purity.
Awesome. Well, there you go. There's a quick update from Kaplan Industries. Thank you, Jim, and thank you to the Kaplans for everything that they do for us throughout the year. They're great people, great to do business with. I would definitely encourage it. And always good to see you, Jim. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.